What's up guys, in this video let's find out the water resistant capabilities of Xiaomi's latest camera oriented budget smartphone, the Redmi Y2, and see if it suffers any damage. Just a reminder to those who have not watched the scratch and bend test of the Redmi Y2, which had kind of a devastating result, not expected of a device in 2018. Here's a card above to check that out. Now starting off the test as usual from the display side, let's check out the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass. An oleophobic layer on the glass, apart from preventing fingerprint smudges, also gives the device a certain degree of water resistance in an otherwise non-water resistant phone which has no IP certification. It kind of repulses water and helps out in the sense that water tends to roll off the screen instead of sticking to it, giving it some kind of protection. Different phones tend to react differently to water. The most common reaction is low distorted audio via the external speakers, which can last anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes to hours. Also few cases of random reboots like in the Honor 9 Lite or screen flickering issues as was seen in the Redmi 5A. After this round, we will proceed to light splashing and then to heavy drenching. So let's find out if the Y2 is able to survive like the realme or fail like the Note 5 Pro or Galaxy J6. At this time, the test had to be momentarily stopped since the Y2 had switched off due to the water invasion and started to reboot. After the restart, everything seemed to work fine, including the audio. But again, the screen went off for a second time and never came back until about after 14 hours. Those of you who have faced the infamous black screen issue on the smartphones will know better what it was like. The phone will continue to function with the system audio working fine, but no matter what you do, the screen won't turn on, and you just have to wait it out unless the LCD has been permanently damaged. The Xiaomi Redmi Y2 may have good cameras with all the latest portrait and dual camera features, but when it comes to durability, it fails pretty badly in almost all areas. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.